What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between OPPO Reno 3 Pro and OPPO Reno 2. So as the name suggests, Reno 3 Pro is the latest OPPO Reno smartphone and Reno 2 is the last generation of the Reno smartphone. Reno 2 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and it runs on Android 9 and Color OS 6.1. While Reno 3 Pro comes in two variants when it comes to hardware. One of them got a Snapdragon 735G and another one got Helio P95 processor. The one we got here comes with Helio P95 that is inferior compared to Snapdragon 735. We got 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and Reno 3 Pro comes with Android 10 and Color OS 7. So let's see how much all of these hardware specs are going to contribute in the benchmarking tester score result. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. So the benchmarking test applications we got today here, they are AnTuTu Benchmarking, 3D Mark, and Geekbench 5. We have already performed all of these tests and we are just going to have a quick look on the test score result. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmarking. And you can see that OPPO Reno 3 Pro scored 226,827 and Reno 2 scored 258,738. You can also have a look on the individual test score result, and in CPU and GPU performance of Reno 2 is better, and in memory and UX performance of Reno 3 Pro is better. So the Snapdragon 730G is obviously better, and also the corresponding GPU in terms of performance, but the Reno 3 Pro with the Snapdragon 735G will perform better compared to Reno 2 for sure because it got better hardware. But here the variant we got of Reno 3 Pro is lagging behind in terms of CPU and GPU compared to Reno 2, but when it comes to memory and UX, the performance is better. And you can give the credit to the latest Android version and the Color OS 7 that comes with better software optimization. But our concern is the overall score, and in that Reno 2 is the winner. Let's go back from here. Let's have a look on the Geekbench 5. So this one is divided in two parts, single core and multi-core. So in single core, Reno 3 Pro scored 398 and multi-core 1507. While Reno 2 scored 536 in single core and 1742 in multi-core. So as you can see, once again in both of these tests, performance of Reno 2 is better compared to Reno 3 Pro. Now let's go back from here. Let's have a look on the 3D Mark. This one is a gaming benchmarking test. So basically it gives the idea about the gaming capability and the GPU performance. So in Slingshot, OPPO Reno 3 Pro scored 2476, and in Slingshot Extreme in OpenGL it scored 1295 and 1605 in Vulkan, while OPPO Reno 2 it scored 3423 in Slingshot, and in Slingshot Extreme OpenGL it scored 2398 and 2263 in Vulkan. So in all of these three tests, Slingshot, Slingshot Extreme, OpenGL and Vulkan, performance of OPPO Reno 2 is better compared to OPPO Reno 3 Pro. And you can blame the poor hardware specs of the device, that's Helio P95 processor compared to Snapdragon 730G. But once again, if in your region the Snapdragon 735G variant of OPPO Reno 3 Pro is launched, then the performance is going to be better compared to the Helio P95 version of Reno 3 Pro and also compared to OPPO Reno 2. But if Helio P95 version you got in your region, then you can see that Reno 2 is going to be better in terms of performance. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.